In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align page numbers in Table of Contents in Microsoft Word. If your Table of Contents looks a bit messy, with page numbers that don't line up or those helpful dots missing, this walkthrough will get everything neat and consistent. Start by going to the References tab at the top of Word. Open the Table of Contents menu and choose Custom Table of Contents. This is where Word controls the layout of your TOC, whether you're inserting a new one or adjusting one that's already in your document. In the dialog that opens, turn on Right Align Page Numbers. This tells Word to push all page numbers to the right edge, which is the standard professional look. Just below that, choose a tab leader if you want dots or dashes between the entry text and the page number. Dots are the most common because they guide the eye smoothly across the page, especially in longer documents. Next, click Modify. You'll see a list of TOC styles such as TOC1, TOC2, and so on. These correspond to different levels of headings in your document. TOC1 is usually your main headings, TOC2 your subheadings, and so forth. Select the level you want to adjust and click. Modify again to open its style settings. In the Modify Style window, click Format at the bottom left and choose Tabs. This Tabs panel is where you fine-tune alignment. Enter a tab stop position that sits at your right margin, then choose Right for alignment and pick the same leader you want, typically dots. Setting a right-aligned tab stop at the margin ensures every page number snaps to the same point, no matter how long the heading is. Click Set to confirm the tab stop, then click OK to close the tabs window, and OK again to confirm the style changes. If you use multiple TOC levels, repeat this for each level you want consistent. Finally, update the table so the new formatting appears. Right-click anywhere inside your table of contents, choose Update field, and then select Update Entire Table. That refresh applies your alignment and leader choices to every entry. If things still look off, double-check you set the tab stop at the right margin, used right alignment, and applied changes to the correct TOC level. Also make sure you updated the entire table, not just page numbers. With these settings in place, your entries will read clearly on the left, and all page numbers will line up neatly on the right with clean dot leaders in between.